Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Lene. We're going to be doing math today. But before we get started, let's go ahead and do our warm-up. I want you guys to get up and stretch your arms up to the sky. I want you guys to jump and put your hands above your head as high as you can. And we're going to count. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys are awesome. I bet now that we have all of our wiggles out, we can turn on our listening ears and be ready for math. Boom. You guys are great. Okay, so I'm going to put some numbers up on the board in a tens frame, and I want you to show me using your tools or your fingers how many there are. How many dots do you see in this tens frame? Good. 1, 2, 3. If you put up the number 3, give yourself a big pat on the back. You are awesome. Okay, let's see. This one might be a little bit challenging. Are you ready? Here, Mr. Rhino, hold this up. How many are there now? You're awesome. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots on the 10 frame. Okay. This one's gonna be tricky. Let's see if you can get it. How many dots are there on the tens frame? I got you. There's 1. Good job. Okay, let's take a look at this one. How many dots are there on the tens frame? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots on the tens frame. You're so smart. Give yourself a pat on the back. You're amazing. Okay, let's see. What about on this tens frame? How many dots are there? 5. How do we know? Because it filled up the whole row. So that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this row of the tens frame. Okay, let's look. See here. How many are there on this tens frame? Ooh, this is a tricky one, huh? How many are there? Want to count together? Okay, ready? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. Good job. You guys are so smart. Give yourself a giant pat on the back because you're amazing. So we're going to read the story, 8 Silly Monkeys. Eight silly monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
How many monkeys do you see? 7 silly monkeys skipping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys skipping on the bed."
6 silly monkeys tumbling on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys tumbling on the bed."
5 silly monkeys dancing on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys dancing on the bed."
4 silly monkeys eating on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys eating on the bed."
What are they eating? 3 silly monkeys swinging on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys swinging on the bed."
2 silly monkeys sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
"No more monkeys sliding on the bed."
1 silly monkey
monkey spinning on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys spinning on the bed.
But he didn't say anything about jumping on the couch. Those silly monkeys.
Okay, guys, one of the options that we have for working on lesson 3.4 is to practice writing, rainbow writing, numbers 6 through 8. All right? So we have number 6. We do down to a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. And then you're going to do it on your own. So you're going to start up at the top, down to a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. Just like that. Good. Then we have across the sky, down from heaven. That's how we make a number 7. Okay, we're going to do it again. Ready? On our own. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's how we make a number 7. Good job. Then we have our number 8. We're going to make an 8. So we're going to make an S. Do not stop. It's go back up. It's an 8 at the top. Good. We're going to do it again on our own. Ready? Make an S, but do not stop. Go back up. It's an 8 at the top. Just like that. So you're going to rainbow write. That means using different colors to write our numbers. That's one of the options we have for this today. Option, you get to draw. It says directions. Read the numeral and illustrate the matching number of apples in each basket. So you get to draw an apple. So how many baskets are in this, or how many apples are in this basket? 2. Good job. So how many apples are we going to draw? 2. You're so smart. There's 1 apple and 2 apples. Should I maybe draw a little leaf on there? Leaf, and then I don't have brown, so I'll just make a little pink stem. Those are my apples. Okay, how many are in this basket? Number 1. So how many apples am I drawing? 1. There we go. There's my apple. There's my leaf. And there's my stem. Whoa, that's a long stem on that apple. Okay, how many apples are in this basket? 5. You're gonna have to show me 5 apples. You guys are awesome. I'll see you later.